Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to turn on Enhanced Protection in your Google account. Enhanced Protection adds extra security to your account, but sometimes you may want to disable it, depending on your needs. We will guide you through how to turn it off safely. Let's get started. Open your Google Chrome browser and go to Settings. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Inside Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, scroll down to the Security section. In here, you will find the Enhanced Protection option. Right now, it is set to No Protection. If you want to change it, simply select the option that works best for you. You can also choose to turn it off completely, or you can switch to Standard Protection if you still want some level of security. Once you have made your choice, save your settings, and that's it. You have successfully turned off Enhanced Protection on your Google account. Remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and enabling other security features when needed.